Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can open your YouTube Studio to view the analytics of your YouTube channel on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to open your YouTube Studio to view the analytics of your YouTube channel on PC or laptop, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to open your YouTube, so just go and search for youtube.com on your search bar. And after opening your YouTube, next, I want you to look at the left side of your screen, and then scroll it down to the bottom, and you will now be able to see the YouTube Studio option right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, the YouTube Studio of your channel will now be opened, so you can now view the analytics of your channel, such as your views, watch hours, revenue, and more. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.